Rock Transformations Unit, Lesson 3.1, The Oldest Rock Formations on Earth. A reminder that you can access your digital resources in the lesson brief of every lesson. Activity 1, Warm-Up. Here's what your student screen looks like for this part of the lesson. Students, respond to the warm-up. Let's review your warm-up activity together. How did you respond to the question about the new information in the message? To make sense of the new information, we need to figure out how a rock that formed underground could move toward the surface to get weathered and form sediment. We also need to determine how sedimentary rock could move below Earth's surface where it could melt and form magma. We now know that the magma that formed the Rocky Mountains cooled underground. Let's look at a diagram and talk about what this means for our claims. In light of this new information, each claim now has a missing piece. If we want to support Claim 1, we have to explain how the Rocky Mountains could have moved to the surface so that the rock formation could have been exposed to energy from the sun for weathering. If we want to support Claim 2, we have to explain how the Great Plains could have moved below the surface so that the rock formation could have been exposed to energy from Earth's interior to melt and form the Rocky Mountains. Chapter 3 question. How could rock from one of the regions have transformed into a different type of rock in the other region? To determine how the rock transformed, we need to understand how rock can move after it is formed. End of activity. Be sure to complete all your student work in Amplify in this activity before moving on.